Barbecue fam. Today we're doing up some Huli Huli hot chicken. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So you're gonna wanna grab some chicken thighs, rip the skin off or buy it skinless. I found an amazing deal on some with skin. So hey, took the extra 2 minutes to rip the skin off. And then you're gonna marinate this. I'm taking this sweet Baby Ray's teriyaki sauce, a can of pineapple juice, mixing that together, slamming in about 2 tablespoons of Uncle Steve's South Texas Red, oh hell yeah, and slicing up some jalapenos, throwing that in there, let it marinate. I got 2 bags, so the same recipe for each. About 1 jalapeno each, slice that up, throw it in, about 2 tablespoons of Uncle Steve's South Texas Red, 1 can of pineapple juice, and about, I'd say it's 1/4 cup of Sweet Baby Ray's teriyaki sauce. Oh hell yeah. We're gonna be firing up our Char-Griller 980 with some lump charcoal, and we're throwing in some hickory chips in that hopper. We're gonna smoke the chicken and then we're gonna sear it at the very end. And we're going to sear some pineapple spears as well. Huli Huli, hell yeah. Now, we're gonna sear along with those pineapple spears. So let's get the chicken first. So we developed the hickory smoke in the chicken. Now we're gonna boost up that temp a little bit. We're gonna put the spears actually on top first. And it's a good way to add some extra flavor to your chicken. Slide this over. Oh. Right over the chicken. Close that up. 10 minutes. We're at 350. Oh hell yeah. So your glazing sauce, you're gonna warm this. So you're gonna take 1 can of that pineapple juice, very small, and you're gonna throw in about 3/4 of a jalapeno diced up. Throw that in there, and then some of that Sweet Baby Ray's teriyaki sauce, about 1/4 cup, and then you douse it with that Uncle Steve's South Texas Red. Oh hell yeah! Warm that, and then you're gonna glaze everything at the end. The last 5 minutes, you're gonna glaze it, brush it, and make it delicious. Oh hell yeah. That's the chicken and the pineapple spears. Huli Huli hot chicken. Oh hell yeah. This is awesome smelling. Just keep basting everything.
Give me a hell yeah!
Looking Huli amazing. Huli Huli hot chicken. Oh, woo.
I said, give me a hell yeah!
Oh, 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 hell yeah! It's hot. It's hot. The temperature. The crispy from the char, the hot from the jalapeno. Oh, this is rockin' chicken. Come on. Gotta do it. Chicken thighs, cheap right now. Oh, go get some. Make the Huli Huli hot chicken. Oh, hell yeah. This is rocking. Man, that's good stuff. That rocks. For real. Rocks.
I said, give me a hell yeah!